Assalamu alaikum viewers. Right now what I have in my hand is a Signing 1 anamorphic lens. Here is written my pocket DSLR and it's a 1.33x anamorphic lens. And it's from a well-known brand of India named Skyvik. Here is their branding. And here is their some of contact information also provided in description box. Please check it out. Now let's open the box. Wow, here is another box and also nice designed. Yeah, I like this. And nice branding of Skyvik. Wow, here is another zip box. And also written here their model number Signy 1. Here is some of their product information and its lens information and some of their social sites introduction. Wow, Skyvik is telling you thank you. You are most welcome, dear Skyvik. Here is a like button, so written something hi there, etc. Now let's unzip the box of Signy 1 anamorphic lens from Skyvik. It's looking premium quality. Here is a hook to carry your lens box with this. I think it's something where, yeah, it's to hook with this one. Yeah, that's it. Here is a metal clip to adjust your lens with your phone. Here is a lens packet. Actually, if I tell you, here is a one packet and another zip box, another box, also another box. I am really impressed about this packaging of Skyvik. Here is cleaning cloth that made with microfiber. And here is another clip to adjust your lens. And here we have the anamorphic lens. Actually it's totally built with metal. It's totally premium quality. It's covered to your lens remain safe from dust. Here is written 1.33x and a nice branding of Skyvik. Here is another cover. Now let's open this cover and now let's have the clip and now let's adjust this one with clockwise direction. And now our lens is ready to use. Let's have some sample of this anamorphic lens. One thing I want to inform you that it's a very expensive lens and its price is about $95. I made an order to Skyvik in India and they delivered me to my local location, Mozambique of Africa. So if you have a good budget and also have a future thinking about photography or videography, maybe it's a good choice for you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe not to miss many accessories, gadgets and device reviews and tech tips. It's actually very popular in Hollywood platforms for a long time. Nowadays, in any usual platforms to give a better and next level view of shining light source like sun, lights and many other subjects with an ultra wide view. Thank you so much to watch this video and thank you so much to Skyvik for this impressive anamorphic lens. Next 2 video is coming about 2 more impressive product of Skyvik and it's gonna be more interesting. Don't forget to check.